Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into one of the most misunderstood topics, active and passive voice. What is the difference and when should we use each? Let's make it simple. What is active voice? In active voice, the subject of the sentence does the action. Example, the dog chased the cat. Here the dog is subject, chase is verb, and the cat is object. What is passive voice? In passive voice, the object of the action becomes the subject. Example, the cat was chased by the dog. Here the sentence is flipped and the action target cat is now the focus of the sentence. Let's know when to use active voice or passive voice. Active voice is best for clarity, conciseness, and reader's engagement. We use it when we want our writing to be strong. Passive voice. Passive voice is useful for scientific writing, formal tone, and emphasizing the result. Think about the news reporters reporting the incident. They use passive voice to keep the audience focused on the incident. Sentence structure. In active voice, the subject of the sentence performs action. It is formed with subject plus verb and object. Example, everyone loves him. The man cut down the tree. I have sold my bicycle. Sentence structure in passive voice. In passive voice, two verbs are used. One is auxiliary verb and another is main verb with the rest of the sentence. Example, he is loved by everyone. The tree was cut down by the man. My bicycle has been sold by me. Rule of thumb. In passive voice, be changes according to tense and verb combination. Present is an are with past participle, was and were in past participle, perfect has and have been with past participle models, be and have been are used to convert into passive with past participle. Let's do a quick practice. Convert this sentence into passive voice. The chef prepared a delicious meal. Nice. A delicious meal was prepared by the chef. Quick recap. Active voice, subject does the action. Passive voice, subject receives the action. Example, the student answered the question. The question was answered by the students. And that's it for today's quick lesson. If this helped you, please give a thumbs up, subscribe it, and share it with your friends. See you next time on Ace English with Seema Datta.